This is a lock mechanism for a casement window. Nothing more than a sheet metal gear and a cam that engages with a keeper. And this is a sheet metal connecting rod. You can see the keeper. When you close the window, it engages with that cam area, and then the cam holds the window closed and tight. And that connecting rod transmits the motion to this upper cam. There are two windows in my house that get used the most, and two of them have this same mechanism. On the windows that don't get used or haven't been used very much in the last 20 years, this still operates very freely. On a couple of these, this binds up, and something on here is wearing out. It's either the sheet metal gears, the cam, or the keeper, or all three. So I've ordered a new one of these, a couple of new keepers. I'm going to replace this. When I take it off, I'm going to dissect it and see if I can figure out what failed. This is the latching mechanism that was failing on the one window. It moves pretty freely in here, but it binds up here and it binds up here. I'm going to see if I can drill this out and take this apart. On the other end of this is the top part, and it is real tight here and kind of binds up. This kind of binds up everywhere. It's really tight here. And when I took this off, there was quite a bit of metal dust that was underneath this. Again, I'm going to drill this out. I have already replaced this in the windows, and with the new one in place, this works smooth as glass. It's easy replacement. The big problem is taking off the bottom, top, and side trim without breaking it. But with the new one in place, take out the existing screws. Be careful with them. When you put this in place, use the same screws, turn them backwards until they click. You time the threads, put it in. It's real easy. The biggest hassle is having to mess with the trim pieces. The connecting rod between these two ends, this is about 30.5 inches long. And I expect to find that these die-cast parts here are failing. I drilled out the center post. This has quite a bit of wear in through here. So if that wears and the inside here is wearing a little bit, that'll allow that to rock back and forth. Quite a bit of wear here, a little bit there. If we look at the teeth, these are worn quite a bit, as is that. This tooth is worn quite a bit, and this one, a little bit of wear here and here. And these, digging into this back plate, is what was causing part of the drag. And this is the top latch. There's some wear here and here. And there's a lot of wear here. A lot of wear here to where this is galling. The material is getting pushed off to either side. That's worn quite a bit. And some here. That's pretty much what I expected from a piece of die cast.